This is the OneKey Classic. Hopefully you can see that. It's very, very thin. It's very, very light. Yeah, let's go through everything about this just so you are aware in case you were considering purchasing one. Hello everyone, my name is Jutanal Ahmed and today we're going to be unboxing the OneKey Classic 1S. Full disclosure, this was given to me free for just to check out, review. They also said something that was interesting. They said apparently this is the only hardware wallet which works with the Lightning Network layer 2 of Bitcoin. Very interesting, something I do want to test out, which I will. So do subscribe to my channel and you shall see videos of this. In addition, they actually gave me 2 of these, which gives you another reason to subscribe, lol. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway of one, so I will leave one fully sealed and stuff. I will be doing a giveaway, okay, so I'll be announcing it in December. That gives a few months. But all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and go onto my Discord, and I have a giveaway section there. On that giveaway section, react so you're in it, and so the bot can automatically pick somebody that will win the OneKey. I will ship it internationally, so yeah, obviously taxes and stuff would be due upon you. You need to pay the taxes, but yeah, do enter. Good luck, as the way the Albanian in Taken said it, lol. Good luck. But yeah, do enter if you want. But let's get on with the unboxing. So this is the package that they gave it in, so you can just see there. It was delivered by Every, which is a... Yeah, they're decent. They've gotten better since they rebranded from... I think they were... started with a H. I completely forgot what the courier was called before. So that's pretty good, actually, the way they rebranded then. Okay, so it's in a little package there. Well, there's a lot of... hopefully you can see that. It's very sticky. Okay. Let's make sure there's nothing in there. There is nothing in there, so throw that away. It's come nicely packaged. As you can see, it's like closed here. That's interesting. Oh, that's very nice. Look at that. Okay, let me put the knife away because we don't need that anymore. But they gave it like a little gift bag, lol. But it's stuck on with glue here, which is annoying me. That's disgusting. There's a lot of stickiness here, which, yeah, I'm going to leave that to a bit of a side there. But yeah, anyways, let me take that out. Pull it out. Or tear it. This is like very difficult to remove. It's because of all this glue that's stuck on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so they've given 2. One probably for... That's interesting. So, if you see here, that was covering both of these. Maybe it's just to keep it in, keep it a bit more secure. As you can see, they've delivered it with a lot of bubble wrap and everything. And yeah, that's empty there. That's pretty neat. It's obviously very creased. Probably see that there. This is empty. I will basically be giving one of these then, most likely. I'll see obviously if it's better to just give it in the package, or I might even just give it in this little gift bag. That's pretty nice, actually. That's a nice little touch that they gave. Thank you, OneKey, for that. It's pretty, yeah. Anyways, I'll throw that nicely to the side, lol. Anyways, OneKey Classic 1S. As I said, one I will just put away now. You can see this here. Anyways, I'll put that to the side because I'm going to be giving away one of these. So anyways, let's put that there. So OneKey Classic 1S. I just want to give you a bit of background about this. This is EAL6 certified. You can use this as a security key. It's a Bluetooth compatible. There's over 5,000 crypto assets or coins that are supported in this. In addition, apparently it's very ultra light and it's meant to be thin as a card. I assume that they mean like a debit card or a credit card. It's fully open source. The code and everything has been audited. I believe, well, it says that on their website anyway. So yeah, you obviously take their word for it. This screen is OLED and is obviously buttons. It's not like touchscreen or anything. And you connect it with the USB-C. I think that's where you charge it. Anyways, let's get on with actually looking at the box. I'm gonna just take this little cling film off, just so there's no reflections, and then we'll go and look at the whole box itself. Let's see, get a bit of a, there we go. That was a nice little peel there. Okay, haven't damaged the box. As you guys know, I'm very like odd like that, but let's get some ASMR in. Yeah, that wasn't really that loud. It's very light. The box itself is light. Hopefully the item is. Anyways, let's get close-ups of the actual box. So OneKey, shiny. Is that debossed? It's like a little sticker. That's how it feels. OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet, EAL6 plus security element. Obviously that's very important, right? So if you ever did lose one of these, you don't, hopefully you won't lose your assets. Do watch my security key video. Anyways, OneKey there, that's the OneKey logo, and the bottom is blank. So on the back, what does it say? It's got a lot of, I believe that's Mandarin. Product. Okay, let's just do a bit of a close-up so you can have a read of that yourself. Does that have valuable information? Product, it's just got different languages. I'll show you that bit there as well. Serial key, this and that. I don't know if you're interested in that, but I do want you to get the full experience. Anyways, this is very neat. It's like Apple, when they give you stuff, it's fully sealed. This is something that's good because then you know if it's ever been tampered with or not, or if somebody's changed it. To be fair, if it was a good thief, they'd probably replace this as well. But yeah, let's see if this makes any noise. That sounded decent. That was as close as it gets to the mic, lol. Anyways, let's put that to the side. It's going to be interesting because of the Bitcoin stuff. Also, just so you're aware, I'm going to be doing an application walkthrough, okay? Not a setting up itself, because obviously this was BIP 39. It's not SLIP 39. But yeah, I'm going to be doing an application walkthrough, so do stay tuned for that as well. And we'll go through what the app shows. But yeah, this is the first look. Okay, very nice. Very slippery. Everything's falling. Okay, that's the box. I'm going to leave that to a side as well, so it doesn't get in the way. So, OneKey Classic. Okay, very reflective. That bit there, you can basically feel like it's a sticker, but everything else is just paper it's printed on. Very nice. HYOK. Okay, hodl your own key. That's what that means. Okay, that's very nice. I think that's probably their trademark or something. Okay, this is like stuck on. Is this a sticker? That's interesting. No, it's not. It's not. Maybe. I can't tear it, so it's not a sticker. It's like a little cardboard. Hodl your own key. Very nice. Very. I don't know where you would put this. Probably just leave it in your room, stuck on the wall or something, if that's what you're into, lol. But yeah, I like these little extra things that these companies give. Just do note that. I also want to mention the fact that they gave me this for free. They didn't say or mention this and that. Literally, you all know I give honest reviews of it's all my own opinion and stuff. They haven't said, oh, can you do this? And I wouldn't ever do that because at the end of the day, I'm a customer of many products and I do critique a lot of products. User experience is very important to me. Anyways, this is very neat so far anyway. Start your Web3 journey. This is what basically all hardware companies do. Keep it cold, never import your hardware. This is good. They're giving information for you to basically get some security advice, right? Never import your hardware wallet recovery phrase into any app wallet. Okay, getting started. Oh, stickers. Well, these are stickers. Okay, that's nice. they've actually given, look, I'm not going to really open it, but yeah, I'm not going to even stick these anywhere. I might even give these with the other one that I'm doing a giveaway with, because I don't really need any of these stickers. I don't use any of those stuff. But yeah, getting started, a quick guide to get started. I'd never read any of this, so, but hopefully you guys can screenshot that if you want. Let's see, just there, go onto OneKey, start your download the app, blah blah. I've already downloaded the app. I'm going to show you that later. Oh, it's got another language there as well, just so you're aware. And a lot of information there. I don't know if you visit OneKey. Yeah, okay. Buy, sell, cross-chain, swap, firmware update, stake. Basically, I have had a look at the OneKey application. Now, this is something that's important, right? OneKey's application is for all platforms. That's crazy. So MacBook, iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, everything, I believe, they've got the application ready for that. And I went on to like the MacBook one. It's very detailed. You can do a lot there, so I'm interested. I'm also interested in UTXO management. If you don't know what UTXOs are for Bitcoin, please do watch my video regarding UTXO so you get an idea. But yeah, UTXO management is very, very important, just so you are aware if you weren't aware already. Let's put this back. But yeah, their application seems like they've put a lot of time into it. That's the main thing, and that's something good, because the application is like one of the major parts that you use with all these apps. I'll come to the device itself. This is a recovery sheets, just so you can see the recovery sheets. Okay. When setting up your OneKey hardware wallet, a list of words known as your recovery. Okay, it's educating you here. It's unique to your wallet and it is the only way to recover your digital assets. Basically, it's talking about BIP 39, the 24 words, never share, confidential, excellent. I always highly recommend that you get a titanium seed phrase solution. And just to show you what I mean something like this. This is a crypto Tag Zeus, and do watch my unboxing of that. You can also watch my review and stuff. So this is something that you should purchase, if I'll be honest, with one of these, so your assets are secure for an indefinite period. Obviously, if you don't leak your private key and stuff. But anyways, let's put that away. It's nice that they give that. What does that say there? The sheets inside are for your recovery phrase backup. Keep it offline and secure. Okay. That's nice. Put that there. Is there anything on the back? No, it isn't. That's nice and clean. I've already bent it. I don't like that. But let's come to the device itself. Wow, that is actually super light. What the hell? Okay. I'm sorry. There's a few items here which I just want to go through quickly. This is braided. That's nice. I like that. That's a good attention detail there. It's a braided USB-C OneKey, as you can see the logo and stuff. Cable. I like that. Will I ever use that? No, I won't, because I've already got so many cables. Lol. So let's put that back in. Already denting it. This is velvet. See, this is what I'm talking about. This kind of detail is what I want a company to do. This is, by the way, the budget one. This is like, I think it's the cheapest one they have. They've got many other products as well. Do check their website out and do use my affiliate code below as well. It helps me out. It helps fund this channel. It helps me create more videos like this and content which you can enjoy. To that time of the day where we have our sponsor, myself, lol. Do check out my website. I've got all of my NFT collection there, my asset portfolio. What do I actually invest in? What is my percentages? Do I invest in stocks as well? Everything's on there. I've actually got my articles and like knowledge base there as well to answer any questions that you have. You can book 1-to-1 sessions with me, and you can also purchase my merch if you're interested in stuff like this. But yeah, do check out my website. You won't regret it. You'll enjoy what's on there. And yeah, if it's too difficult to navigate, do comment down below, lol, so I can improve it. Anyways, let's get back to the content. So it's a velvet, and yeah, that's pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I always say that, don't I, lol? Anyway, this again is another seal. Let's go through the actual product now. So the seal here, how do you unseal it? How do you take it off? We use the knife. That's how we take it off, lol. Let's see. Don't want to chop my face, lol. Nice. Nice little till cut there. Okay. We didn't damage the product. That's the main thing. Because this is like when you purchase an Apple product, they do it like all of this, all of these stickers and stuff. By the way, I'm not comparing this to Apple product. It's just there's a few bits. This is very, very light. That's crazy. I actually very, very light. Do you know what? I'm going to compare it to a card in a second. We will see how light it actually is. This screen here is OLED. There's only buttons. You can turn it on like that. OneKey, the symbol. USB-C. Can you see how... I'm just showing you close-ups now. How thin it is. They're saying it's thin as a card. I don't agree with that. That's not as thin as a card. It's probably light as a card. It's the only thickness is there, the USB-C port. But everything else is very thin. Let's take this little part off there. Peel it off. Very nice. OLED. I'll switch it on as well in this video just so you can see. So I just want to bring I need to cover a few bits here because obviously for security. Lol. This is my Amex. Now, okay, that is smaller than... That's very interesting. It's pretty much the same size. But thickness, no, it's not. That's I don't agree with that. Can you see? It's much thicker than my Amex. Weight-wise, I'm not even kidding. Okay, this Amex Platinum's obviously a metal card, right? They're very similar in weight. I'm just trying to think. I don't even have a scale with me here, or I would have showed you that. You could easily probably Google as well how much it weighs, but it feels like it can break. That's what I think. Do you know what? I'm going to actually test it a bit. I'm just trying to see if I was to ever like, oh yeah, click it hard or something, would it? So it's so light, right? When I drop it, it doesn't look like it's going to damage because it's so light. I know that's, these are just tests that I would do. That was nearly a real full drop. Okay. I don't think there's anything in here as well that would be like a component that will move. For example, I've dropped my iPhone. I can hear stuff moving in there. But yeah, anyways, let's just switch it on and then power on. Okay. And let me focus it to my eyes on English. Okay. We'll basically do this setup in the next video. Do stay tuned. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this unboxing. If you did, make sure you do pop a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel, if not for just this content, but if you want to join into the competition, the giveaway, it doesn't really cost you anything. It's going to be something that I just do for my my subscribers. Thank you. Like a lot of people have subscribed already. I'm shocked myself, lol. Thank you very much for subscribing, and yeah, I want to give back. I will have many more giveaways. You already know that I'm actually doing another giveaway. I've got a actual giveaway which I'm doing for a long period of time. Do have a look at that. It's on my Discord server. In addition, I've got a YouTube video regarding that. It's a giveaway which the first part, Ledger Nano S Plus, which I'm also giving away. I'm doing a lot of giveaways, ain't I? There's actually going to be another giveaway in a few weeks time which I will let you know about. I'm just waiting for the product to come, right? Which this one's out of my own pocket. Nobody gave me anything. I purchased it. But anyways, yeah, do subscribe, comment down below, and lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.